Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own paper squishy. The stuff you're going to need is a pen, some tape, some scissors, and a bunch of markers. And you're going to need a pen, some paper, wow! And first, you're going to fold your paper in half. You're going to fold your paper in half. My mom's trying to make me laugh. Okay, so now you're going to make your square or whatever squishy shape you want to do. I'm going to make a pillow for an example. Thanks, Mom. And you're going to make a pillow for an example. And then I made a square. And you want to make sure you have the crease side. And now you can do whatever design you want. I'm going to make a face. I have a dog named Vicky. Okay. Here's my face. And now you can draw. Okay, I just did the same design as this one. This one's a little messy though. Okay, now once you got your design, now you can cut it out. Once you've done that, you should have the design side, and a blank side, and when you open it, it's like this. So close it up, and now you want to tape together the top and the side, and you want to keep this one open. I'll show you how to do that. First, you go to your design. Put a piece of tape on front like that. Now you're gonna put that like that. Now you're gonna take the tape and bend it over to the other side. Should look like this. And it's gonna happen. And now these extras you can just push off. Now you're going to do that on this side now, the same. And you're going to leave this one open. I made the mistake once of taking all of them closed. Okay, once you do that, snip off the edges. this side that's open. That open. Take your oh no, it's optional, but you can take some pieces of tape. I like to do it and cover the whole thing like this in tape because it prevents wrinkles. And if you do that, you want to bend the tape in on here. And it prevents wrinkles when you use it as a squishy. On the side that's taped, you can fold it over. Or on the side that's open, just fold it over. Okay, once you've done that, now you can take your plastic bag and just cut tiny pieces. Okay, cut tiny pieces so you can show your squishy with it. Okay, now crumple it up. Stuff it inside your squishy. And it's okay if you overthrow your squishy. Do this enough until you fill your squishy. And now you want to close that up. Tape. Same way you close the other edges. Take your tape. Put it on one side. That. Close. Pick up. Cut the edges off. And boom, you have your own paper squishy. Oh, this one's quite soft. Thanks for watching, guys, and I really appreciate my 4 subscribers. Thanks for watching. Bye!